Yo, what's up guys? It's Techers here and I'm with my GTA 5 video. I know I should have a Black Ops video coming up soon. I'm going to be working on those. But I'm in a lobby with my friend and we're just blowing people up. It's fun. Alright, what's up bruh? We need to go to an ammo shop quickly. And I'll have the link to his channel in the description below. So yeah. He does Black Ops 2 videos, I think, right? You. His channel in the description below. Huh? No. No. Yes, that means they get off, right? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Do what? Hold on, I'm gonna transfer the money. What is it? A sticky bomb? No, not fair, not fair. What are you doing now? Why are you killing pedestrians? Damn it. I had such bad aim. I didn't want to get in this car. No, I don't want to get in the car. You ready for it, bro? Let's steal a police car. You up for it? I'm in it. Let's get out of here. Ah, get out! I'm getting off track, bro. I'm going into the mountains. Dude, I already lost him, bro. Woo! Oh, shit. I lost the hood to my car. Are you still in the... Oh, I think I see you. Is that you in the ravine? Let's do it. They see me rolling. They hating. Ah! Woo! No. Are you rolling down? I flipped. No, I'm rolling. No, I'm not. Oh, my own door had failed me. Barrel roll, barrel roll. No, definitely not. I'm so bad at it. I don't know about that, bro. No. I just subscribed. I want to do a race. Yo, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button down below. Coming out with Black Ops 2 videos soon. I just blew up. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Peace out. Catch you all later in my next video.